Anytime that we experience any emotional stress, our body goes into this protective mechanism. And if we hold on to that stress for a long time, all these muscles stay tight and remain tight. And now if there's a tendency for us to be hunching over when this head goes forward and down, and then all of a sudden these muscles become a lot tighter. So step one is we want to make sure we practice good posture. So you said the numbness has been going on for 10 years.
Yeah.
Can you show me where you're getting the numbness again? Which fingers?
These two fingers.
Those two fingers, okay.
Usually I feel it mostly at the tip.
That's going to be coming from our lower cervical spine, from anywhere between C6, C7, and potentially T1 there as well. I'm going to rotate you lightly this way. Let me know if there's any pain or discomfort here.
Yeah.
Where do you feel the pain?
Right here.
Okay, right in that region. I'm going to rotate you here. Any pain or discomfort here?
Right here.
Oh my, you're 2 for 2. You're passing all the tests. Congratulations. Okay. Left sacrum is stuck.
Oh, wow. Oh.
That was stuck, but we got it to move. Up to your right. Beautiful, much better. And then over to the left. Good, so we got about an extra 10 to 15 degrees of motion there, okay? How does that feel for you? Is there still any pain as you move left or right?
No, it feels really good.
It feels good?
Yeah, it feels loose.
Okay, are you telling me this chiropractic thing actually works?
Maybe.